your videos are not being recommended, like you are posting videos, you're not getting that views, you're not getting that subscriber, and your watch hour is not adding, just make sure you do these things which I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video. A lot of us are focused on turning off and on of a particular setting. I'm not going to be telling you to go to your YouTube studio to turn this setting on, turn this, because obviously that is what is raining, and a lot of creators are focused on talking on this type of topics because they are what is going to make their channel go viral, neglecting the basic things, that is the most important things you need for your video to actually blow up, for a video to actually get that YouTube recommendations. Every single thing I'm going to be telling you briefly in today's video. So what you just need to go ahead and do is to work towards it. So the number one thing you need to pay attention to, like when it comes to YouTube recommending your video, is your video content itself. Your content, what kind of content are you producing? What kind of content are you bringing out? Is it of value? You need to check that out. And if it's not of value, or if you are just roaming about on this YouTube streets picking content from different creators and posting it on your channel, bro, I've been in that shoe, and I'm going to advise you to step back, re-strategize. And what does it mean to re-strategize? Go back and check out what you can actually do for it to work out well on your channel, because roaming about on YouTube here is really going to slow your growth. That is why sometimes you see a particular channel that will have a viral video of like 80k views, and the next video you are seeing on that same channel is like 100 views, is like 500 views. Why should that be so? It's like that because your videos are not in line with that video that actually made you go viral. Now, once you're done checking out the video content itself, the next thing you need to pay attention to is your video hook. Like, hook is actually what is going to determine if your video is going to be watched for long or not. And now let me tell you guys one shocking thing. While studying my YouTube studio analytics, I made a particular video about how much YouTube paid Nollywood actors, and that video have high impression click-through rate, like it was 10%, like 10% yes, but the average view duration was just 2 minutes, I think 15 seconds. And I was like, why is this video not going viral? Because obviously the impression click-through rate is very high. Then when I went ahead to click on a particular feature, I don't know if you guys have started seeing this particular feature that YouTube just turned on in our YouTube studio. I went ahead to click on that particular feature, and YouTube told me that the reason why this video is not going viral is because the average view duration is too poor for a video that is over, is it 14 minutes or 15 minutes? Yes, that view duration is really poor. Now I went back to check my other videos that have view duration of like 5 minutes, of like 4 minutes, and I discovered that, oh yes, this is actually why this video is performing really poor. So what am I trying to say? If you produce a video that is like 12 minutes, that is like 14 minutes, and you are having average view duration to be 1 minute or to be 2 minutes, YouTube is not going to push out that video. One thing you need to understand today is that YouTube is like business, because the more time people spend on your video, it's profitable to YouTube because they will make much more money. Yes, that is how YouTube make their money. That data that you are burning on a particular video is what give them their profit. So you need to produce content that people will not just click on, and after 1 minute of that video they will just skip away. YouTube will not push that video go far, like that video will not go far, and YouTube will limit and stop its recommendation, because obviously YouTube have seen it that this video is not performing well, so there's no need of pushing it forward. And there are a lot of things that contribute to why that video is not being pushed out to a lot of people, and I'm using myself as an example. Yes, for that particular video my hook was great. Yes, my hook was great, but what I discovered that actually made that video not to go far is because YouTube told me that my audience are not searching for that video. Yes, my audience are not searching for that video. I have 23,000 subscribers, but most of them are not interested in how much YouTube pay Nollywood, or they're not really interested on a particular movie. Because I could remember that the first thumbnail I used for that video was this viral Omoni Oboli movie, this Love in Every Word, and I just tick a particular arrow of the estimated revenue. So YouTube took its time to explain everything to me and told me the reason why this video is not just performing well. And I took it over to ChatGPT, and it was still exactly the same thing that I was getting. So it was after that very first day I decided to change the thumbnail, and I also changed the title to this very title you guys are seeing here, to know if the video is going to pick up. But the reason why the video did not pick up despite all my settings is because the video view duration was very poor, and the video did not perform well in the first day of producing it. So the chances of YouTube picking it again to push to much more people is if that average view duration increase, one, and also if the impression click-through rate do not drop. Because as of when filming this video, the impression click-through rate is already reducing. It's not like the 10% it used to be. So now you need to work on your hook, you need to work on the content itself. Try to know what your audience are searching for. And if you're wondering, how can I even know what my audience are searching for, or you're out there saying, Princess, I just started, how do I know what my audience are searching for? You can go ahead to your YouTube Studio desktop version, that side where they write trend. Go ahead and click on it, and you will see a lot of videos that your audience are searching for. And also another sweet trick is, go ahead to your YouTube mobile app, that place for search. Any video you want to produce, just type some part of the video. Like maybe you want to do a video on how to bake cake, then just go ahead and type how to bake. Then YouTube is going to bring out other options for you. So those other options now are what people are searching for. And if I'm to make a video in my own niche, maybe I want to title this particular video now that you all are watching as YouTube not recommending your video, or why is YouTube not recommending your video. What I will need to do now before I'll come up with my title name is to go over to that YouTube search bar and type half of this video, that is half of the title of the video, to know what people are actually searching for. And that is the title I'm going to be giving this video, so that anytime they will come over to YouTube search bar to search for that particular title, YouTube is going to bring out my video. And it not just end there, I need to also include those relevant keywords in my tags, in my description. Like my description first line should consist of the keyword, in order for it to help also Google promotion, because YouTube and Google work hand to hand. I think I should be making a video on that separately. So if you're interested in this video, just drop it in the comments section, because a lot of my videos, most of my video views, that is extra views, all come from Google. Why is because I'm able to optimize my video properly for it to be appearing on Google search. Imagine you posting video on YouTube here and you're having extra views from Google, meanwhile you didn't post it on Google. So you need to learn how to optimize your video the right way. Now, talking about your description, you need to put those relevant keywords, and also in your hashtag need to have those relevant keywords in order for that video to come up well in search results. So now once you're done with doing this particular thing, that is working on your hook and also working on your titling, your description, and the rest of them, then you can now go ahead to fix all the necessary settings, that is adding your playlist, because these settings now they help in that video getting recommendation, your playlist, your end screen, and your YouTube card. Just make sure that that particular video have all these features. And another thing you need to understand is that it's not all video that you post on YouTube that is going to go viral. If you still check all this your big creators channel, you will see a channel of 1 million subscribers, and you'll be seeing a video of like 4K views, which is very poor to that channel. Go to VidIQ channel, go to a lot of all these big YouTubers channel, and you will see it. So if you post a particular video and that video did not just have view, despite after all the settings you've done, the video have great hook, don't feel bad about that particular video. Just move on to the next video and make sure that the next video that you'll be dropping, you work on it. So I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to be stopping here, and of course this video need a part 2, because there are still much more tips that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. It's not just always about fix this setting, fix that setting. work on your video itself, and believe me when I say your videos are going to start getting recommended and are going to start getting massive views. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you've not liked it, and drop me your comments. What do you think about this particular thing, and what challenge are you currently facing on your channel? And I'll be in the comments section. Yes, I will try my best to be in the comment section. All right guys, bye, and I'll see you in my next video.